I think roughly here at the demo site today, we have at least 40 machines in operation. We have a lot of solutions here: Smart Quarry, Smart Construction, My Komatsu. So what has evolved over many, many years now, this show is not just about the gear, it's about everything that plugs in and the solutions we can bring to you to enhance your optimization and efficiency on the job sites. Not only we are a lot of equipment here for the construction segment, we have equipment here for the forestry segment, demolition segment, quarry segment, everything of all the end-use segments in the industry. What we want customers to take away from the event is Komatsu really care about our customers and helping them on the journey to optimization through the digital transition, that they can really begin to optimize their job sites to a different level that they didn't think was possible. At least, let's say 100 a day customers come through here, and their experience is phenomenal.
Yeah, I really like it because we get to try out a bunch of different machines, but at the same time, you guys have product staff here that we can talk to, and they, you know, we're actually interested in what we got to say.
It's been great. Everybody's been really helpful and answered all of our questions and seemed very knowledgeable. The Komatsu reps have their own little, you know, whether it's GPS or the equipment, or they all have their own little facet that they manage, and it's very impressive. It's a great site. Everybody's been very, very pleasant to deal with. Food's been great. Beautiful weather.
This is my first time at demo days for Komatsu, and it's been a great experience. Learned quite a bit about their intelligent machines. We're able to run the excavators, and it's kind of nice to be able to come and run their different sizes of machines and get the feel for them and kind of see how they operate compared to other machines. I would definitely recommend it. Everybody's been very helpful in answering questions that we have. And being able to get in the seat and run the machinery has been a lot of fun and a good experience.
I've learned more about Komatsu equipment in the last day than I ever have known. So it's definitely helping us understand what we have.
This is my first time here for demo days, and I'm excited to be here. While I was out here today, I operated on the D61 dozer. I got to do a couple of passes down the road, and I just had to set it on auto, let the GPS do its work, and all I had to do was steer. So it's super easy to use, operator friendly, and it gets the job done.
I wanted to see how the hybrid and electric machines were, how they performed against the diesels, and I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Yeah, it's a great machine because it's just real smooth, and I compared it against the diesel 210, and the response is there. It's got plenty of power, multi-functions well, tracking and digging. I mean, it doesn't hesitate at all. It's really smooth, really smooth.
I highly recommend coming out to Komatsu demo days. Eye-opening to see everything that they have going on, from the different pieces of equipment to the technology side, from the Flex to the 3D MG machine controls to the intelligence GPS equipment. It's just eye-opening to see how much is actually out there.
We just appreciate Komatsu having us down here and showing us around and having direct contact with people who've developed the machines. You know, we're able to talk to the people who put the D71 on the market and were involved in the design with it, and give our feedback, and they are interested to hear what we have to say, and we have a lot of good things to say about the equipment, about Komatsu equipment.
I'd like to thank all the customers, especially the dealers that have brought them here to Cartersville, Georgia, to enjoy what we have to offer to you, and hopefully you go back with memories of a great time and questions answered, and that you'll consider more Komatsus or new Komatsus in the future.